Oh boys. Damn! We got a wide body R32 at the local meet. This thing is sitting pretty mean. Wheels look nasty. Thick. Dang. What do you guys think? We get them on the channel, do a little review, bring some more Skyline action back on the channel. Comment below. This is a cold startup of a 2018 Mark 7.5 Golf R. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for another video. So we are on my way. That doesn't make any sense. I'm on my way to my buddy Kevin's house. You guys know Kevin, and he bought another Supra. I feel like I say this in like every video. I'm like, oh hey, I'm going to my buddy Kevin's house. He bought another Supra. I'm not lying though. He bought another Supra, but this one's not stock. It actually has about 700 horsepower. So I haven't seen it. We're gonna go check it out. Maybe go for a drive. We're also gonna hit up a back road on the way there. We're in the Golf R, obviously. So yeah, I'll catch you guys over there. Oh boys. So that's the new Supra, and that's E85. He hasn't run on E85 yet, so he went empty the tank, and we're going to take it for a drive on E85. Kevin's going to tell us a little bit more about his car, and if you guys are interested, the silver one's actually for sale, so comment below if you guys are looking for a Supra. I will admit, the Golf R, it does not quite sound like that. So have you gone to any of your meetings this week?
What meeting?
For your Supra addiction?
No.
Supra number 12?
Yep.
Number 12.
And number 10 in there.
I already plugged your for sale.
Did you?
Supra, yes.
Great.
If anyone wants to pick that up off you. Oh yeah. Third?
That was third. It spun a little bit.
Yeah, so third hooks. No traction at all. Was that second?
Yeah, that was second.
Second, no traction. Yeah. So we tried settings 1, 3, and 5.
Yep, on E85.
On E85. It's kind of bad though, because I don't know what it felt like before E85, so I can't tell you if it's any faster.
It's kind of like setting 1.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I mean, it definitely feels pretty fast. You want to just give people the rundown?
Yeah.
I feel like we do this like once a month.
Yeah, it seems that way.
This is a very redundant video, but they're different cars, I promise you. We're not just like recycling
we're not
them.
Repainting them and changing them, but
a whole different Supra.
Yeah, let me go ahead and shut it off.
Yeah, shut it off. We'll pop the hood, show you guys what's up with this one. So this one's about 700?
Yeah, 705 to the wheels on E85 and 639 to the wheels on 93.
A smaller turbo than what he's used to, but it does spool very quick, so it's got a very, I would say, usable.
Almost feels almost feels, cut it. It almost feels instantaneous.
Yeah.
Because it's so small. It looks small too. It's a 6266 with a 1 AR back housing. It's got a Sound Performance twin gate manifold, 2 44 tile millimeter wastegates. As far as the motor, believe it or not, the bottom end is stock. It has valve springs, valves, ARP head studs, and 264 cams.
Enough for a quick car.
For some power. I mean, it's a nice setup for a small turbo. It spools quick, and it's running the Pro EFI system, which is really nice.
Yeah.
You've got the little touchscreen deal in the front, which is nice.
Yeah, to monitor all your stuff, and switching tunes is pretty cool too, especially like on the fly.
Yep. So it's a nice stereotypical
Supra.
street setup Supra, and it's got the Euro glass headlights. Little odds and ends. A couple things I don't like about it. I really don't like the piping, the scheme they have.
The pie cuts.
Yeah, the pie cuts. And I don't like the location of the blow-off valve. So that's something I might.
I think it would be better because it doesn't look like it's titanium.
Yeah, if it was titanium,
yeah, if it was titanium, it'd be different.
It would look really cool.
Yeah. But still, I mean, this one's in pretty good shape. Is this, so this is a TRD wing? Is that what it is, right?
That's the stock wing.
What's the difference between this and the TRD wing?
The TRD wing would be more straight up here and straight across.
Oh, so the other one you have is the TRD
the other
wing.
one,
okay.
The other Supra is the TRD
So it's the regular high-rise spoiler, but this one looks pretty good too.
Yeah, and it blends in, and in your rear view mirror you can't even see the wing.
Yeah.
It just goes with the shape of the
that's true.
roof.
I'm totally not only being a YouTube vlogger today, but I'm also this guy's cameraman. I'm charging him by the hour though, so it's okay.
Yeah, but I'm getting a pretty good deal. About 15 cents an hour.
He's volunteered to split half of his proceeds from his video to me, so we should be able to afford 3 munchkins from Dunkin' Donuts.
In about a month.
In about a month. It's loud. We should probably leave. Yo, this thing is loud.
Yeah, I told you that.
It's pretty loud.
That's what I was saying.
It sounds good though.
All right.
Thank you, Kevin.
Yeah, no problem.
We'll see you in a couple weeks when you buy another one, and we'll go for a ride in that one.
Yeah, hopefully I don't do it again, but you never know. But did you have fun in it?
I did. It's fast.
Yeah, it's pretty good on the E85.
E85 setting, yeah.
Doesn't smell as bad either. When you're running on 93, the car like stinks.
Yeah, I mean it just smells like E85.
Yeah.
But no, it's pretty fast. A lot linear than most Supras.
Yeah,
with that size turbo.
Very quick to power.
Yeah, so.
There's no lag really.
Till next time, I think you need to race the Golf. I don't care if I lose.
Yeah, let's bring it to Sunshine.
Yeah, we'll do an 8th mile.
What it does.
I think 8th mile might be pretty close.
You'll probably beat me in the 8th mile.
We'll see.
I think.
I don't know. It'll be a good video. If you guys want to see that, you know what to do. Let me know in the comment section.
Subscribe to Steve's channel.
Thank you. Link to Kevin's in the description below.
Thank you.
You know what? Make it 2. We're going to give him 2 links.
Man, alright, don't go too crazy. Appreciate it.
Well, everybody, we're back at home. I'm going to end the video here because I have a birthday party to go to. So, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. And as usual, we'll catch all you guys on the next video. Peace.